Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video session, I am going to explain the concept of if, elif, and else in Python. Let's start the session. The if-elif statement is used to decide among multiple options. When you have multiple options and then you have to show the one of the option according to the given conditions, then you will use if statement. The syntax is, first of all, we have to write if, then condition, then colon, then we have to write one statement or block of the statement, and then we are going to be write second option in terms of elif and then condition, colon, then we are used to write block 2, and so on. We are moving until the n option. Else, this is the last option. When none of the above condition will true, then else will be executed automatically. That is, we can say this is the block n. First of all, this is the syntax. They will check the first condition. If the first condition is true, then it will move to the block 1. Otherwise, it will go to the second condition. And if the second condition is true, then it will go to the block 2. And rest of all the statement will be skipped. And if that condition to condition number 2 will false, then move to the condition m or n. And then it will work. Then it will show the block m. Or if the m condition also false, then it will move to the block n. For example, write an algorithm that input in age from the user and display the message accordingly. Age less than 13, child age less than 19, teenage less than 32, young age and less than 46, mature age or age greater than 45 means greater than 46 means old age. For example, here I am giving the value, input value is 7. Here I am showing the program algorithms on left side and right side with the flow chart. Suppose age is 7, then it will check whether 7 is less than 17. If it is less, because 7 is obviously less than 13, then it will move to the true statement and it will display the child age, and rest of all the statement will be skipped and move to the end of these options. Then let's consider another example in which you are going to be input age is 16. In case of 16, it will check that 16 is less than 13, condition will be false, and then it will move to check the next condition, that is 16 is less than 19. The given condition is true because 16 is lesser than 19, then it will display the teen age, and rest of all the statement will be skipped. Let's take another example with input is 25. It will check first 25 is less than 13, condition will be false. 25 is less than 19, this condition will also false. Then it will move 25 is less than 32, that will be true, and it will display young age, and rest of all the statement will be skipped. Next, let's consider another example with age 35. It will check 35 is less than 13, false. 35 is less than 19, false. 35 is less than 35, again condition will be false, and then it will move to 35 is less than 46, this will be true, and it will show me mature age, and then control will move to the end statement. Let's see another example. Take another example, that is age is 50. In this example, 50 is less than 13, condition is false. 50 is less than 19, condition is false. 50 is less than 32, condition is false, and then 50 is less than 46, condition is false, and in case of false, it will move to the else statement, that is old age, and it will display end. Next program is what will be the output of the following code. I have written this code. If temp equal to 25, they will check that if temp is less than 10, it means value of temp is 25, 25 less than 10, no. Then it will move to the next condition. It will check that if temp is greater than 25, no, because temp is equivalent to 25. Then it will check if temp is less than 25, then it will display average, but here in this case temp is not less than 25 but temp is equal to 25. Then in this case it will display else statement, that is print perfect. Thanks students. If you have any question you can send me in comments, and if you want to get any help regarding your any problems related to your programming, then you can send me an email. Thank you. Jazakallah khair.